Hello there, and welcome to this demo of auto bidding tool by Optionlogy. So I'll just start with what is the definition of this tool, what was its purpose, and then we'll move to a live example of how you can use it in your live trading. So this auto bidding tool is just a auto trading tool that based on your parameters, it automatically executes your strategies, your legs, and it allows the system to do the work with maximum level of accuracy. So you don't have to sit on your system on minute to minute basis. You can set your conditions, and whenever these conditions are met, it will automatically execute your trade. So the purpose of this tool is that it is not only to reduce your screen time or to reduce that you don't have to sit on screen, but also to help reduce the human emotional bias on trade. So we have seen many times, and there are hundreds of courses on psychology of trading. We have seen that because of human emotional bias, we tend to when we are trading based on a system, we all tend to change our trades, and as a result, we are not able to get to our desired results. So an auto bidding tool allows your maths and your backtest to do your work automatically, and you don't have to interfere in that, and it will automatically perform based on your parameters. So various ways this tool can be helpful to you is I'll explain it above here. One use case can be it can help you in combined premium based trading. So just to give an example, so let's say you want to enter a strategy, you buy an ATM call and put of Nifty, and you want to enter at a combined premium of say XYZ rupees. So you can do that using our platform. You don't have to set an individual limit order for each leg because we cannot know how the each leg would move. So you can just set a combined premium and it will enter and exit based on your parameters. So you can do a very simple limit order for your entire strategy there itself with stop loss, etc. Second way you can use auto betting tool is for arbitrage. So I can even name it scalping. So you can just put in your strategy and you can utilize the gap between pay and get that is ask and bid, and you can gain small amounts of profit, and with large volume of trades you can at the end of the day gather a sizable amount. Rather than making a one big trade, you can do what scalpers do, small trades of your strategies and small profits, and at the end make it large. So you can do that also. And third thing is you can do auto trading based on other parameters as well. So some parameters could be like timing, or you can set your trailing stop losses or a single stop loss for your strategy, time entry and exit. So let's say it should enter at 9:30 in the morning and exit at 2:15 in the afternoon. You can set your parameters and you can do auto trade based on that also. So I'll now move to a live example where you can see how this tool works. But before we move forward, I would request everyone to watch this video from start to end. And towards the end, we'll have a remarks for rollback technology. So this is something really important for your trading. And it is very important that you know what a rollback is, what this technology does, so that just to avoid any confusion and help you trade better. So it is requested for you to watch the entire video, and if you just want to know what rollback is, you can skip to the specified time frame mentioned here. So I can just click on auto trading, and when I click on it, I can move to my auto bidding tool. I can here create a new strategy. So I have an option of option chain and a strategy library. From library, I can select some pre-made strategies like spreads, butterflies, or some neutral strategies like strangles, straddles, iron condor. You can select these pre-made strategies, or from an option chain you can make a customized one. So let's say I buy a Nifty monthly expiry ATM, both calls and puts. So we can see this is somewhere around 490 combined, and into 50 we get 24,500. Yeah, somewhere around 24,600. And I can also analyze this strategy chart, and I'll just hide Nifty and change it to 30 minutes. So I can see that overall today my premiums are falling. So what I can do is, let's say I want to enter this strategy at 24,000 premium. Now I don't know how much each of this leg would move. I want a combined change of somewhere around 12 rupees, but I don't know how much change would be there in each leg. So I'll just use an auto trade and set my net premium condition here. So let's say I want to enter at 24,000 rupees and exit somewhere around, based on net premiums, 24,500 rupees. So you can set this conditions, or maybe let's say 24,200 rupees I can set it. I can also set some trailing stop loss or a single stop loss, and let's say I don't want to carry my position to the next day. I can use an intraday exit also. So whenever one of these conditions is met, the trade will get executed. So I can just select how I want to trade, paper trade, or I can select a broker itself, and I can start executing it. And that's it. Whenever these conditions would be met, my strategy will automatically get executed. And you can even modify your orders in between. So let's say, just to show how this strategy is executed and exited, I'll just modify this strategy, and just for a minute I'll analyze what is the pay here. So somewhere around 650 rupees I will enter, and let's say I want to exit at 24,700 rupees. So I'll just modify this order, and as you can see, whenever we were around that margin, our trade is automatically executed. And whenever our total premiums would be around 24,700 at get side, we will exit, the system will automatically exit the strategy, and you will get a profit. And you can analyze your strategies down below, your auto trading strategies. You can see you can gather small profits, cut off your trades at small losses, and over the time you can make use of arbitrage, combined premium based trading, intraday exit, entry exit, all that with ease of just single buttons. So I'll just create a new strategy as well, just to show you how big leg strategy moves. So I can select a pre-made strategy as well. So let's say I select an iron condor. It has both buys and sell legs. I want to analyze it. How is it moving? So on a 30-minute chart, I'll hide Nifty, and I can see that, and the minus means the premiums I will be receiving premiums, and the premiums are going up, that are going down. So from 4,000 it is going towards 3,800. So let's say I put an entry condition that is very near to the current market, because premiums would be going down. So let's say I put it at this price only, and I want to exit whenever I get 100 rupees of profit. Again, I would want this to be an intraday exit only. And to get the margin benefits, I'll not select this, because I'll select this to get the margin benefits, and I'll click on paper trade. So that is how we can enter the strategy. So since we are currently at this situation itself, this strategy will get executed. Yes, we got this price and we get executed. So at a very great accuracy, we have entered the strategy. And whenever we would have a payoff somewhere around 2,200, the strategy will automatically get executed, your 4 leg strategy. You can analyze your trade here, and you can see that our previous strategy has itself given us a profit. Yeah, you can see we have realized here 165 rupees of profit. Although we had set a 50 rupees of premium gaps, but because of a spike in market, we got 165 rupees. Whenever the market got above that price, we exited it. And similarly, you can view your current strategy here itself. It is showing you, and whenever your conditions are met, the strategy will automatically get executed. So that is some of the few ways you can utilize your auto bidding tool. So coming to the final section of this demo, I like to introduce to the rollback technology. So coming back again to the auto bidding tool. So this rollback technology is a very unique feature that we offer to maintain the highest level of accuracy in your trades. However, there's word of caution in here. So what this means is that, let's say I put a combined premium of 2075 rupees. That is, when I get 2075 rupees, my strategy should automatically exit. However, when we have many legs, like in the iron condor strategy where we have four legs, it might happen that when we are entering two legs, there is a spike in premiums or a huge change in premiums within that period of time. As a result, your condition for your entire premium is not met. So what usually happens is that other platform just places your total order. So if there's a spike or a change in prices, they would place your order and your accuracy would be suffering. So to maintain that level of accuracy, our system waits for 20 seconds, 10 to 20 seconds. It waits so that market might again get back to the same level of specified parameters to trade your entire strategy. However, let's say you out of the four legs, only two legs have been entered. Two legs have not been entered because of change high volatility. After 20 seconds, the platform automatically exits your two legs that it had already entered. So after that, whenever your conditions, your parameters would arrive, it will again execute this strategy. This happens to give you the maximum level of accuracy on your specified parameters. However, the word of caution is that in that trade, you will lose out on your brokerage and the changes in premium within that 20 periods of specified time frame. So this technology is one of a kind to give you the level of accuracy so that you you have a system that you can trust on and that enters your orders not on itself but based on your parameters only. However, this is a not a very usual condition because this happens very rarely that you can see a very high level of spikes in prices or premiums or high volatility at the time of execution. But this is added to give you an extra level of cushion on your accuracy. Also, a final note, this rollback technology works two times. So let's say I enter this strategy, but it wasn't able to execute entire trades. It exits your enter trades, then again tries to enter it. However, even after a second time, if the trades do not enter entirely, then it will just stop your strategy and then you will have to again restart it because that means currently there's high volatility in the market and it is not advisable to enter at the time. So you if you still want to do it, you can manually restart the strategy again, but after two times the strategy will get stopped and you have to restart it. So on this note, I would like to end this demo and I hope you enjoy this feature.